So guys, there is a game in Roblox called Fashion Diva. I heard that if you say, "Are there bots?" you get teleported to a server. So I'm going to test it out so you guys don't have to. This game kind of looks innocent. I think I have to say, are there bots now? What the? What is this place? I can't see anything! Why is it so dark? Is this supposed to be the map? The map looks different now. I hear footsteps.
What the hell?
Are those people? Holy! Okay, nothing happened to my homepage. That was a scary experience. Well, thank you all for watching this video.